Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So today is quick and easy day, and this one is definitely quick and easy, and it's really a fun one. So I hope you enjoy this one. It's Halloween today, and I like the whimsical. You know how I am. I'm not a scary person. A scary Halloween person. I really like the more whimsical stuff, and so this is what I'm sharing today, this little bag. It's really cute and it's really quick and easy to make. I am using for this the Little Delights, and you can make these for every holiday with this stamp set. It has Christmas, birthday. It's got two Christmas, actually. A thank you. This one says, "You're such a blessing." It could be for Thanksgiving. It has all the little things. It's got the leaves and the bats and the little light and the hat. So you can use this for just any holiday and birthdays. So I really love this because you can go crazy just making them. But today we're doing Halloween because that is, I think, the next holiday coming up, right? So I thought we'd do some Halloween again. All right, so what I'm using for this is the party. I use this a lot, and I've shared it a lot. It is a Hostess paper pack, but it is called Pattern Party. This, if you spend $150, you can get this pack for free. So this is one of the Hostess gifts. And if you have a party, you can get this free, but all this one side is black and white. But look at, you can use these leaves to make one for Thanksgiving. You can color these in. I mean, there's so many things. This is what we used on this one, but I'm going to use a different pattern today. This could be for a birthday, but you can use this colorful side. I mean, all one side is very party to me and colorful, and I love this pack, and it's huge. It's a lot bigger than, it's probably 3 times at least bigger than our regular paper pack. So this is such a good deal. If you can't think of what you want for your Hostess gift, when you spend $150, put this on your list. It's really, really a good one. So that's what I'm using again, but you can use anything that you have, but I love the patterns in this. So this is the one I made first. So isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. And I love the ribbon. Oh my gosh. That ribbon is one of my very favorites. I am definitely a gingham girl, and if you followed me long, you know that for sure. All right, so what you need for this is a piece that is 7.5 by 6. So you can make out of a 12 by 12 there, you can make 2 or maybe 3. I'm not sure. All right, so what we're going to do first is I already cut out, I'm using these tailor-made tags again. I love these tag set, and I'm using this tag, and that's what I used for that one. I did cut out little reinforcement here for the top of it, just to give it a little extra. I'm going to go ahead and add that to this tag, and then we're going to go ahead and stamp it. There we go. So we're just going to put that up at the top here. And I'm going to show you, and I've done a video on this before, how I get like one stamp in 2 colors using my Stampin' Right markers. And I like using the Stamparatus for this because it looks like it's been stamped that way, and I love that about it. So before we get on with this, let me show you how I do that. And I already got this on here. I need to change out my paper. It's getting really worn. I try to make it last as long as possible though. So we are going to be putting our bats and the little stars on here. Just want to get them in the right position, and then I'll stick that on there to hold that down. And what we're going to do here, and the best thing to do is to put your stamp pad there. It holds that up and makes it really easy to work with. So I'm going to use the black, basic black Stampin' Right marker, and we are going to color. And you can do this without the Stamparatus, but you're not going to get it as dark. And this really, really is a good technique and a good way to do this using your Stamparatus. It's changed the game actually for me coloring, because usually if you do it by hand it doesn't come out as dark and it doesn't look like it's been stamped. It's very light. So I love this. So we're using, what one is this? Gorgeous Grape for the stars. I just wanted 2 different colors on this. And then we're just going to stamp that, and then we're going to go back over one more time. The Bat Black, and then the Gorgeous Grape for the stars. And also another thing, if you're a little bit slow at coloring these, there's one thing you can do, and you need to do this if you're doing it without the Stamparatus, and you need to blow some hot air on it, and they call it huffing. So you just, I'm going to get my head in the way here, so I'm going to take it up to me so you don't have to see so much of my head. You just like huff on it and then stamp it. But do that if you're not using the Stamparatus. I found using the Stamparatus, you don't really have to do that. But look how dark and nice that comes out. It looks like it's just been stamped that way. And I love that, and it's a really good tip using your Stamparatus to color with your Stampin' Right markers. All right, now we are going to do our trick or treat, and we're going to use pumpkin pie for that. See if I can get that on straight. It looks crooked. And I need to re-ink this because it seems to be getting a little bit dry. So we're going to put the trick or treat at the top here. Isn't that cute? I love that. I got 3 colors on there. So there is the tag. And now let's make our little bag here. So I'm going to grab my Simply Scored, and we are scoring only on the 7.5 inch side. And when you're scoring on designer series paper, I always tell you this, but be sure to use your thicker ball that's on the end here so it doesn't tear your paper. So we're going to score at 1/2, at 1, at 1.5, at 4, 4.5, 5. And that is all your scoring. I know it's hard to see on this paper, it's a little bit busy. Now what you want to do here is you want to fold this Mountain Valley style, just like that. And this is going to give you a lot of expansion to add a lot of goodies. I don't like it flat, that's why I added this. I thought, you know, you could fit a lot more goodies in it if, let's see, oh, I missed one. If you do it this way. So it gives you that expansion there. All right, so you see that? It's Mountain Valley style. All right, I'm going to use my tear and tape this time. Last time I used my wet glue, but I'm going to go ahead and use tear and tape this time. And you're going to put it on the side that has where you scored, not on the other side. And we'll remove that. Oops, wrong one. And then you are going to bring this around and line that up to your edge there. And now to do the bottom, you can add tear and tape on the bottom as well. I'm going to make this my front because that's where that is in the back, my little seam. And we are going to add, I'm using wet glue. I'm going to have to hold it for a minute. But when you use the wet glue, I'm going to put it up here so you can see maybe a little bit better. Put it on these little parts here too, where you, so it just, when you fold it down, and you might get too much glue on there like I did, because this glue is so good. It doesn't make my fingers all sticky, but I like it all to be sealed down like that. So that's why I put it in all those little areas, extra areas there, and not just on the bottom. All right, now if you have a crimper, this adds to it. You don't have to do this, but it adds that little bit of like professional. It looks professional. I don't know if you know what I'm trying to say, but it gives that little crimping on the bottom where it makes it look a little bit more professional. So now you can see you have a lot more room to add goodies. I'm gonna add some, I added last time these little pumpkins, and I got these from Hobby Lobby, but I think they have them at the Dollar Tree too. This time I'm gonna add some candy corn, but you can put, actually you can put any kind of candy in here. It will hold like those little mini Hershey bars. It will hold, I think, Hershey's Kisses because of the sides. It's really nice. But I thought for Halloween I'd just use the candy corn. How many of you like candy corn? Leave it in the comments. I hear so many different, some people really love it and some do not. I get in my moods where I do like to eat it, but once I eat it, that's the end. I can't do too much of it. All right, now, okay, so now we are going to add our ribbon here, and I got a little knot in this. I think that's from earlier. Take that knot out of that. All right, we're going to add our gingham ribbon here. I love this ribbon. Put it through here. I'm going to cut that. And now how I do this is I tie like a little knot here. Oh, let's put our tag on. Do not forget to put your tag on or you will have to redo it. We're going to put our tag on here. And then tie a little circle here. This is what I do because I don't have an extra hand here. And then I just slide these in here and then I'll pull that there. And then we're going to tie a bow. You can tie a knot if you want, or just tie the bow. I'm going to trim these up. And I like the extra tails because I tie it upside down and it gives me these little extra tails. You know, I could fool with a ribbon forever. But we're going to cut little tails here. And that is it. Super quick and easy, right? Isn't it fun? I think they're so cute and so easy. And I love that it's expandable and you can fit bigger candies in here, like Hershey's Kisses or Hershey's Nuggets or Hershey, the mini bars. Yeah, so they'll fit a lot of different candies. So I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, let me tell you the size of this. It is 6 inches tall and it's 2.5 inches wide. All right, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Check my blog for the new hostess code this month, and I will see you in the next one. Have a blessed one, everyone. Bye.